Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the heart of Bihari cuisine with a delicious and healthy recipe, Dal Pitha. For the dal stuffing, soak chana dal for 3 to 4 hours. Transfer them into the mixing jar and add 4 to 5 green chili and 1 inch ginger. Do not add extra water. These steamed rice flour dumplings filled with the spicy lentil stuffing are perfect for any occasion, so you must try it. To this, add turmeric powder, cumin seeds, and salt as per your taste. Mix them well, and the dal stuffing is ready. Now, we will make the rice dough. For this, you will need lukewarm water, add some ghee to it, and some salt. Now to the rice flour, add this water slowly until it forms a soft dough. Now it's time to assemble the pitha. Divide the rice dough into small balls and flatten them. Place a spoon full of dal stuffing in the center and fold it in the form of dumpling. You can give any shape that you want. Dal pitha is a wholesome, delicious and nutritious dish that you can enjoy as a meal or snack without the guilt. It's perfect for any time of the day. Now it's time to steam the pithas. So you can use the steamer if you have. Grease a steamer with oil and place the dumplings inside. Now we have to steam this for about 10 to 15 minutes. If you don't have steamer, you can also use idli stand. You can see like how I am using it. I have greased it with oil and then I am placing my dumplings into that. And then again the same process, I will steam it for 10 to 15 minutes. And there you go. The dal pitha is ready. Serve it hot with green chutney or tomato chutney. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.